What color of the robe Buddha allow monks to wear? Many people may wonder, if it is only yellow that Buddha allow monks, or whether it's just the color red Buddha allow for the robes of the monks, or some other color. Some people might think that it can be any color. So according to the sutra, the teaching of Buddha allowed just 3 colors for the monks, and those 3 are yellow, red, and blue color. Yes, blue color. So these are the 3 colors that Buddha allowed monks to choose among their robes. So in some region or a country like India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, and so forth, monks use yellow as the color of their robes. While in some other countries like Tibet, Nepal, Bhutan, Mongolia, and few other small regions, monks use red as the color of their attire or robes. And in ancient time in China, they used the blue color as the blue as the color of their attire or the robes. Now, another question here that may arise in the mind might be why in India or in Sri Lanka and Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, they use yellow, and why in some country red and why blue. So these countries, India, Sri Lanka, Laos, Cambodia, and Thailand, in these countries they use yellow because it's very hot country where the weather is very hot. So yellow is suitable for hot weather. Yellow doesn't attract the heat, so that's why it keeps you cool. So it's better to use in hot region, those countries or a place where the weather is very hot. And countries like Mongolia and Nepal, Bhutan, and Tibet, it is very cold, so that's why they adopt the red. Since it attracts the heat, it is warmer to wear red color attire or a cloth in those regions, darker color. So they use the red color. And in ancient China, red and yellow are either considered as an auspicious color or royal color and high class color. So this is the reason why they choose blue color, blue as the color of their attire. So now you may wonder why in China monks didn't use the yellow and red. Why, if it is a auspicious color, if it is a supreme color, why they didn't use the reason why Buddha allowed these 3 colors is because these 3 colors at that time are the most inferior color. The color, the clothes in this color are not expensive. Clothes in this color are not really famous or superior. And Buddha always recommended monks to live very simple and to have things which are simple. Eat simple, wear clothes also simple. So this is the reason these 3 colors used to be the very simple, the most inferior one, let's say. This is the reason why in China they adopt the blue color, and in Tibet and Bhutan, Nepal, they use red color because of the weather. In India, yes, of course, inferior color. At the same time, because of the weather, they use the yellow color. So I hope you get to understand a bit about Buddhist monks' attire. So it doesn't matter in what color Buddhist monks are. They're exactly the same student of Buddha, following the steps of Buddha, practicing the and studying the three Pitakas and practicing the three higher practices. Thank you.